Ever explain the same thing twice? You tell Claude your stack. Next chat, it forgot. Frustrating, right? There's a fix for this. One small file. It's called Claude MD. Think of it as a brain. Your rules, your tech stack, your code style, your key file paths, what to do, what to avoid. You jot down how your project works. Just once in plain markdown, then forget about it. Claude loads it before every reply. Picture a note on the fridge. Claude MD stores permanent context. It is read first every single time. You write the rules, Claude follows them. The file holds your rules. Claude obeys them. Rules say how to build. Stack says what you use. Style says your taste. No more repeating yourself. So why does this matter? New chats start blank. You waste time re-explaining. Write it once and for all. It is always loaded. And it works for your whole team. Try it right now. Add a Claude.md, then run Claude. Watch it read your rules first. So that is Claude.md. Next up, memory and sessions. You're deep in a coding chat. Then the chai break calls. You close the laptop. Is all that work lost? Not at all. Claude saved it. Here's how it works. Every chat has a life cycle. You open it. You do the work. You close it down. Later you resume. And it all comes back. Each chat is saved as a session. A session is your whole conversation. Nothing is thrown away. Resume reopens it with full memory. Think of a bookmark in a book. A session is one saved conversation. You can reopen it anytime. The chat is saved automatically. You just reopen it. Session means the saved chat. Resume means reopen it. Open starts a chat. Closing saves it. Resume continues it later. Your place is never lost. So why does this matter? Big tasks span many days. Starting over wastes hours. Just pick up where you left. Sessions are auto-saved. And resume gives full recall. Try it right now. Run Claude-resume. Pick your last chat to continue. So that is memory and sessions. Next up, the context window. Ever notice Claude drift off? On a long chat, it slips. It forgets earlier details. Why does that happen? There's one big reason. A hidden size limit. It's called the context window. Picture a study desk. You pile on files. You pile on chat. You pile on code. And 2 results too. Soon the desk is full. Everything you share takes up space. The desk only holds so much. Pile on too much and Claude loses the edges. Think of a small desk. The context window is its total size. It is how much Claude holds at once. The window is the memory. The limit is the ceiling. Window means the memory. Limit means the ceiling. Files take space. Chat takes space too. Once full, Claude forgets. A cluttered desk slows thinking. So why does this matter? Quality drops when it's full. You get vague replies. A tidy desk thinks clearer. The window has a fixed size. /clear resets it. Try it right now. When a chat gets messy, type /clear. It wipes the desk clean. So that is the context window. Next up, specs, plans, and handoffs. A big task spans many days. Memory fades between them. So how do you keep going? You don't rely on memory. You write it all down in simple files. Specs, plans, and handoffs. Leave a clear trail. A spec for the goal, a plan for the steps, the status so far, and a clean handoff, like leaving a map behind. You write the goal and steps in a file. Plain markdown, easy to read. Save it in your project. The next session reads it and continues. Think of a recipe card. A spec is a written plan. Claude can pick it up later. A spec says what to build. A plan says how to build it. Spec is what to build. Plan is how to build it. The goal is the why. The steps are the how. Status shows where you are. Anyone can carry on. So why does this matter? People forget, files don't. A plan never goes stale. Don't trust memory, trust a plan. It is a file, not a chat. So the handoff is easy. Try it right now. Save a plan.md with your steps. Tomorrow's session reads it first. So that is specs and handoffs. Next up, working smart at scale. Big projects can get messy. One chat tries to do all. Soon it's overwhelmed. There's a smarter way. Use the full toolkit and a little help. Working smart at scale. You've met the tools. Claude.md for context. /clear to stay tidy. Plans for handoffs. And now sub-agents. Put them together. You hand a side job to a sub-agent. Like research or testing. It runs apart from your chat. It works in its space, then reports back. Think of a small team. A sub-agent is a helper. It handles a task on the side. The toolkit is your habits. The sub-agents are your team. Toolkit means your habits. Sub-agents mean your team. ClaudeMD keeps context. /clear keeps it tidy. Sub-agents share the load. Each piece has its place. So why does this matter? One chat can't hold it all. Crammed context confuses Claude. Don't cram, split the work. Give each helper one job. And scale stays calm. Try it right now. Type /agents to see your helpers. Send one a focused task. So that is working at scale. Next up, sub-agents delegate like a dev.